Have you ever wondered why English is being a global language is all restricted to 26 letters? Have you ever wondered why there is a silent letter concept in English? Hi everyone, my name is Ishan Sengupta, and I'm a certified public speaking coach and a soft skills. In this video, I'm going to cover what do you mean by phonetics? From where the term phonetics is coined? What is the meaning of phonology and phonemes? And how many sounds or characters are there as for IPA? So let's get started. IPA stands for International Phonetic Association. In the year 1980, all the experts of English academician as well as grammarian people and experts, they combined together and they came up with IPA, that is International Phonetic Alphabet. Why IPA? The reason is, as for this alphabet, English being a global language has some shortcomings. 26 letters of English language actually makes 44 different sounds. Have 44 letters sounds, and that is the reason this committee came up with IPA, that is International Phonetic Alphabet. From that day onwards, it was recognized and considered as the internationally acclaimed learning of phonetics. In order to better your pronunciation and your communication in English, you must definitely follow the I. Now, what do you mean by phonetics? The term phone comes from the device which we all use in our daily life. It is a device where, if you see and if you look into, it is an exchange of sounds from one person to the other person. And if I talk about phonetics, phonetics is the study of sound. IPA, there are 44 different sounds, and it is divided into vowel sounds and consonant. Now, what are vowel sounds? When we try to pronounce or make a sound, if we don't use any articularies, we have mainly five articularies: the lips, your tongue, upper palate, lower palate, and epiglottis. Now, when we don't take the help of any of these articularies and make a sound, that is known as a vowel. Vowel is further divided into two types, that is monophthongs and diphthongs. Mono means single, so monophthongs means single vowel sound, and the word di means two. So diphthongs means dual vowel sound. There are 12 monophthongs and there are 8 diphthongs as for IPA, or International Phonetic Alphabet. That's all for today. I'm going to cover the IPA sounds in the next video. Until that time, this is me, Ishan Sai. I would definitely be waiting for your comments in the comment box. If you have any queries related to this video, please comment in the comment box. Till then, bye bye, take care.